Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The idea of a Prevost Concept 2026 launches electric vehicles daring in the battlefield is an intriguing and daring divergence from Prevost's customary function as a producer of bus shells and opulent motorcoaches. This conceptual shift towards military electric vehicles, especially those used in battlefield scenarios, represents a significant shift in engineering objectives and strategic vision. It envisions a time when highly specialized, mission-critical applications could benefit from Prevost's proficiency in sophisticated integration and sturdy chassis construction. Fundamentally, this Prevost Concept 2026 would probably be a platform-neutral strategy that prioritizes flexibility and modularity. The reference to electric vehicles implies a radical departure from traditional internal combustion engines in favor of the strategic benefits that electric propulsion provides in a military context. Reduced thermal and acoustic signatures for covert operations, instant torque for quick acceleration and maneuverability, less dependence on fossil fuel logistical chains, and the possibility of onboard power production for auxiliary systems are just a few of these benefits. The phrase "daring in the battlefield" refers to more than just transportation. It also refers to active engagement and fortitude in trying, frequently hostile situations. This would require a design that is extremely durable and resilient. For ballistic protection, we would imagine a chassis made of lightweight, high-strength alloys that might also include cutting-edge composite materials. An extremely sophisticated suspension system, most likely hydropneumatic or adaptive air, would be able to absorb the shock of explosions or abrupt hits while simultaneously offering remarkable articulation and stability over a variety of rough terrain. Because it would be redundant and protected, the electric drivetrain itself would continue to function even in the event that some of its parts failed. The Prevost Concept 2020 SIX's adaptability would be largely dependent on its modular design. The basic platform could be quickly converted from a troop transport to a mobile command center, an electronic warfare platform, a medical evacuation unit, or even a carrier of remote weapon systems by swapping out its mission-specific modules. This plug-and-play feature would improve operational flexibility in the field and drastically lessen logistical burdens. Incorporating state-of-the-art technologies would also be crucial. Secure communication systems, AI-driven navigation and autonomous capabilities, even under human supervision, sophisticated sensor suites for improved situational awareness, and possibly even energy harvesting technology to increase operational endurance are some examples of this. The car's user interface would be made for high-stress situations, with simple controls and important data displays. It might even incorporate augmented reality to improve situational awareness. A new level of trustworthy, high-performance military electrification would be represented by the Prevost name, which has historically been connected to elegance and dependability in civilian transportation. This idea defies expectations by imagining a time when silent, strong, and flexible electric platforms will be essential, even daring, to contemporary military operations. Regarding the possibility for specialized manufacturers to shift their core skills toward emerging strategic needs, it is a daring declaration.